Look at Mama's. Look at me. Who is that handsome boy right there on the screen, huh? Who is that handsome boy? Jada, come on.
I want to get him with me.
Okay. Who's a handsome boy? Look at that little face. Who's that little boy? Oh, you're trying to get my hair. No, not me. Look at. Who's the handsome face? That's a big boy. Yeah, just a handsome, huh? That's a handsome boy. Yeah. Look at that boy. Where you going?